In this video guide, I will give you help to effectively remove browser notifications associated with the site declinerib.com. declinerib.com. Some customers may see these pop-ups to attack their browsers. Primarily, they target Google Chrome, even though other browsers may also be infected. The purpose of these pop-ups is to force people into clicking on the special Allow button that is integrated into the website. Clicking on the Allow button may immediately hijack the browser and start causing a lot of troubles. In case the Allow button is clicked, that's a mistake. You may be brought to a lot of other shady websites that may display some dubious content. Also, you may start receiving the great number of ads in the right part of your screen. So if you have clicked on that Allow button, be sure to fix your browser urgently. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy in the left area, click on Site Settings, go to Permissions and click on Notifications. Now research the sites allowed to send notifications. You will find this declinerib.com, so click on this button and remove this junk site, as well as all other malicious sites causing such troubles. Finally, my strong recommendation is that you also research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download it through this green button. Install the program and start investigating your computer to identify it and get rid of other possibly hidden infections from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.